Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For the first time in the history of my channel, we are straying away from a crochet-based craft, and today we're going to be attempting to make a Lego block shelf. I've seen lots of Lego block furniture on TikTok, and today I wanted to try recreating my own in the form of a shelf, because you can buy the yellow storage block with Legos in it, might I add, a lot cheaper than you can just buying a colored one online. And I'm gonna take you guys along with me, so let's get right into it.
Alright, so game plan. How are we doing this? What are we doing? 3 steps. Step 1, drill holes into the Lego box in the back so we can actually put it on the wall. Step 2, we're gonna kind of sand it down with a Scotch-Brite pad, which is that green kind of spongy thing, and I'm working with a shiny plastic material, and I know that's not gonna let any kind of paint stick to that, so we sand it down, rough it up a little bit. Then step 3, we are going to just spray paint it simply, couple coats probably. I'm using a lovely light blue color.
And obviously step 4 is to hang it up on the wall.
That's it. Let's get to work.
My camera's dying. So actually the box ended up having pre-drilled holes. It's almost like they thought someone would do this and they were prepared. So I didn't end up drilling the holes myself, and I just used the pre-existing ones. And just like that, we're done. I think this was a fairly easy project, but the result is super cool, and it's definitely a statement piece, but I like what it's saying. I tried styling it a few different ways. Personally, this one is my favorite, and I think this is the way I'll keep it. But here's some inspiration for you guys if you decide to try out this project too. But with that being said, let me know if you liked this kind of change of pace every once in a while with a different style video. And if you did enjoy it, make sure to like and subscribe if you want. I will see you all in my next video very soon. Thanks for watching!